Hello, my name is Carl. I'm 2 Echo Zero Echo Zulu. Hang on a minute. Hi, I'm Carl. I'm 2 Echo Zero Echo Zulu Tango, and in this video, I've decided to try and find a little bit of green space away from everybody to get a little bit of exercise in, make a couple of contacts, and then get back home. So I'm out on the bike on the canal system here in Staffordshire. So the idea really is to just try and just get some light exercise, make a couple of contacts, good for the heart, good for the mind, and good for the soul. So I'm here, found a lovely spot by the water here. I'm going to set up the 20 metre antenna and a radio, see if I can make any contacts on 20 metres. So there's a contest on, I believe, a Russian contest. I do like contests. I've got nothing against them. They can be a little bit hyper, but they get people on the air. On times like this, hopefully, might be able to get a contact or two. We'll see anyway. I'll set up and then we'll see what we can do. 2 Echo Zero Echo Zulu Tango. 2 Echo Zero Echo Zulu Tango.
Echo India?
Echo Zulu Tango.
No, give me your call.
2 Echo Zero Echo Zulu Tango.
No, negative. I copy you Zulu Tango.
Yeah, 2 Echo Zero Echo Zulu Tango.
Zulu Tango, give me your prefix.
2 Echo Zero 2 Echo Zero.
Okay, 2 Echo Zero Zulu Tango, Roger.
Yeah, Echo Zulu Tango Echo Zulu Tango.
2 Echo Zero Echo Zulu Tango, Roger.
Roger, Roger.
Okay, 5961861A, my number.
Yeah, thank you very much. Yeah, you are 59. You are 001. Number one.
Okay, number 1, thank you.
Yeah, thank you. 73. 2 Echo Zero Echo Zulu Tango. Ugh. 2 Echo Zero Echo Zulu Tango. 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 2 Echo Zero Echo Zero Echo Zulu Tango. 2 Echo Zero Echo Zulu Tango. 2 Echo Zero Echo Zulu Tango. Oh, the antenna fell over. Just about to get the contact, the antenna fell over. Got mud all over the log.
Sorry, I'll get the letter straight away now. 63, confirm, thank you. Thank you. Sugar Papa 8 radio.
2 Echo Zero Echo Zulu Tango.
Echo Zero Echo Zulu Tango, thank you. 59828.
Yeah, thank you very much. You are 59002.
What's my number?
Number 2.
Number 2, thank you. Sugar Papa 8 radio. Sierra Papa 8 radio. Sugar Papa 8 radio. Contact.
I'll have to put the coat over it. So there's the antenna. The SWR is flat, pretty much across most of the 20 metre band. There we go. The xiegu is pretty good because it does allow you to measure the SWR. It's not, it's probably not going to be perfect, but it's enough to do a quick check that nothing's coming back into the radio. The only thing that I've always had a gripe about this radio is the fact that the screen is pretty much useless in any sunlight. You have to sort of bury your head. Was that a donkey? You have to sort of bury your head in the bag to see the screen. But it's got a great audio on it. The audio, the outgoing, the punch on it for 20 watts just punches through. It's been a cracking radio to use. Anyway, I'm just going to maybe try and get another 1-2 contacts in. My outdoor exposure time is running short. And what I've enjoyed just getting out for a little bit, getting some exercise, getting a few contacts in. Right, try and get 1-2 more in. 2 Echo 0 Echo Zulu Tango. 2 Echo 0 Echo Zulu Tango. Try once more. 2 Echo 0 Echo Zulu Tango. Yeah, 2 Echo 0 Echo Zulu Tango, portable. Yeah, Roger, Roger. It's Echo Zulu Tango, Echo Zulu Tango, portable.
Okay, 2 Echo 0 Echo Zulu Tango 2
Yeah.
Echo 0
Echo.
Echo Zulu Tango portable.
Yep.
59 Tango Bravo.
Yeah, thank you very much. You are 59. You are 04, number 4.
004 QSL, maintain Radio 3, Radio Zulu, Radio 3, Radio Zulu.
2 Echo 0 Echo Zulu Tango. Right, okay. I'm going to end it there. Get back on the bike and cycle back home. So yeah, it's been good. Really simple setup with the antenna, radio in the backpack. So backpack portable. Is that stroke BPP? Well, it's bicycle backpack portable, so it's stroke BBPP. Anyway, best go. 7-3. Catch you in the next video. Bye bye for now.